and you have seen my YouTube channel S Tutorials and Information. Today I discuss about a new vacancy. Before start the video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. So let's start the video. In this video I discuss about LIC HFL. Type of employment, central government job. Total vacancies 300 post. Location all over India. Post name Assistant and Associates. Official website www.lichousing.com. Apply mode online. Starting date 8 August 2019. Last date 26 August 2019. Name of the post Assistant. Vacancies 125 vacancies. Associated 75 vacancies. Assistant Manager 100 vacancies. Qualification. The candidate must have passed graduation in any discipline or the equivalent from a recognized board for LIC HFL. Required age limit. Minimum age 21 years, maximum age 28 years. Salary package. Assistant 13,980 rupees to 32,110 rupees. Associated 21,270 rupees to 50,700 rupees. Assistant Manager 32,815 rupees to 61,670 rupees per month. Mode of selection. First written test, then interview. Application fees 500. Steps of apply for online mode. At first, in this website and login, go in this website and login, then apply, then written test and then interview. Thank you for watching this video.